बोलूँ कि नहीं?
बोलो.
Now we will bring this jaw over this assembly. It means that will be in about to touch position over this plate. It means as soon as this jaw, this hole touches to this plate, we will stop this machine, and then we will go for application of the force with the mechanism available in this universal testing machine.
Actually, you can see, students, this entire platform is moving up. Okay, and now let us see till it touches the upper plate.
Now the things are ready.
Yeah.
Now we will start the pump inside this. Means we want to apply the pressure now. Just now sir told when we will actually start the machine by switching on this on button, the fluid which is available and will be pumped through this system that will be responsible to apply the shear force. How come does this happen? In that case we will start this whole assembly will start going up, and this is stationary. It means whatever has been kept here along with this assembly, that is going to feel a compressive force like this. One end is fixed, another one is going up. Going up according to this strength that will sustain, and a point will come when failure will occur. We want that force which is readable with the help of this force dial. What is that amount of force at which it gets here? We are interested to know that force. Okay? Now I start the Now the pump has been started, and with the help of this throttle valve which has been being operated by me with right hand.
तुझ्याकडे मोबाईल आहे, थोडंसं लाईट सोडतो का याच्यावर? अंधार खूप आहे. इकडे इकडून ह्याच्यावर हां.
So we have selected the range of 0 to 10,000 kg force.
The compressive force is being applied.
Now see, this black pointer has started moving and it is pushing to red one. So actual pointer is black.
Yeah.
That is pushing to red one. Red is the only reader. So it will attain its ultimate value till it is able to offer the resistance.
Braking, yes.
So we are interested to know what is the maximum force up to which it
red pointer will remain there only, and black pointer will come back after cutting. So that's why it is easy for the students to know the things. हाँ, अभी नहीं, इसको थोड़ा, हाँ मैं पकड़ूंगा, चल. हाँ, एक छोटा सा आवाज़ आएगा टूटने के बाद.
So it can be seen that it is almost stationary. See, the black pointer has started going back. It means the shear operation is taking place very fast.
Yes.
So it is approaching 0.
टूट गया ना?
It is 0. It
Yes.
means the shear is over. हम बोलने में शायद आपको आवाज सुनाई नहीं पड़ा. So this is the value. उसको सुनाई पड़ा होगा.
नहीं, एक छोटा सा आवाज आया.
हाँ. So see here, this is 5,000 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 division is less. So 1 division is equal to 25. It means 25 for 100. So 100 is minus. So 500 minus, 5,000 minus 100. So 4,900 kg force is the shear force.
Yes.
So students, please note 4,900 kg force is the shear force for mild steel. Divided by
2 into pi by 4 into
d square. That is d is the diameter of
that is 8 mm. That was 8 mm.
Yes.
So that will be the shear strength of our mild steel.
Correct.
Okay. So this was about your double shear
Similar procedure
experiment.
is applicable for all
Yeah.
the materials.
Yeah.
That is brass, copper and aluminium.
So you remove
Normally
this.
in case of
Ah.
aluminium,
So see.
we use 16 millimeter diameter.
काढता येते ना. So these were the dies. एक मिनट हाँ. This was the die. Okay. This is another die जो साइड में था. हाँ. और एक डाई है ना बीच में. हाँ सर एक मिनट वो भी दिखाते हैं उनको. 5 मिनट झाले ऑलरेडी. हाँ हाँ तो निकलते हैं क्या.